In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error. First thing you want to do is go to Control Panel, and then Programs, and then Programs and Features. Now find the Visual C++. So I have multiple. As you can see, I have multiple. You might have 2 or 1. So whatever the option you have, just right click on it, and then you will see a repair option. So if you go to change, let's see here. So if you right click on it and then click change and then continue, you would see a repair option. So if you click repair, this should fix the issue. You might want to do this to like all the C++ visual you have. If you have one, then just do it to the one. If you have like multiple, do it to all of them. Check if this fixes the error. If it doesn't, then go to CMD, run as administrator, then type sfc/scan now, and then press enter. This might take a few minutes. Once it's done, you can check if it fixes it. If it doesn't, then go to Google, then type Visual C++ redistributable download. So what you will do here is download the latest version, and then you'll go to the latest version, download the 64-bit and 32-bit. Run the installer for both of them. So here it's telling you I already have it, that's why it's showing me this option. So if you don't have this, the latest version, it will just show an install button. So if you're like having the same screen here, just click on repair, or click or you can just go to the control panel and then uninstall the Visual C++ from here. If you see here, if you have multiple, just uninstall all of them, and then go back here and reinstall it from here, and run the installer for both these 64-bit and 32-bit. Then this should fix it.